guys, it's Miss Jess with Emilia, and we're going to make some brownies. Ready, Emilia?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we have all of our ingredients weighed out, and they're ready to go. We have our pan, and we sprayed it, and the oven's on 350. And so Emilia's going to put all my ingredients inside the flour.
All of it.
All of the flour. And the cocoa.
Cocoa, like this is
Yep, that's the cocoa.
Then cocoa. All of it.
And then some sugar.
Sugar with some.
All of it. Put all the sugar in.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, so much. And then the butter. I'm going to do the butter. It's a little hot.
Yes. And it's oily.
The melted butter.
Ooh.
And then Emilia is going to mix that up. Reduce that.
Whoa. This looks like snow.
The sugar and the butter looks like snow.
No, it looks like snow.
That's silly.
But,
We're going to mix it all up. I'll put the baking soda, the baking powder, and some salt. Good job.
This is hard for snow.
It's a little tough.
No.
Yeah, but you're so strong. Use your muscles. Use those muscles. Good job.
Ooh, this looks. Oh, it feels like I'm hitting you, but it's not. I keep on looking, but your hands is up
I'm
you.
just holding it for you.
I know.
So you don't make a mess. Good job. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Let's get the bottom a little bit, right?
Yeah.
That is a little tough.
Yeah.
Make sure you get all the edges.
Ooh,
Wow.
white. Ooh, white smell. It's getting mixed in with the. I can't say it.
And then, once you have all that mixed in, you're going to add in 2 eggs. Can you add that in for me?
Yep. Put 2 eggs. Set this up first.
2 eggs. Put it in.
2 eggs.
Then you're going to mix that up again.
Jump, jump, jump.
Good
Ooh, you
job.
could hear it falling.
Right, mix it up. It's going to be a little tough. Good job. Look at those 2 hands.
Smells good already.
It looks yummy. I love brownie batter.
Me too.
You just can't eat it.
No.
You have to wait. Your tummy will hurt. Good job.
Okay, this is hard.
You want some help?
Yes.
Okay.
It's hard.
It's a little,
Trust me.
A little bit, right?
Trust me.
And we're gonna make fudgy brownies. I like brownies that are super chocolatey and fudgy. But if you want cakey brownies, you can add an extra egg. Did you know that?
No.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
The same recipe, just 1 more egg. And we're gonna add some chocolate chips in ours because I love chocolatey brownies.
And I love you.
And a little crunch.
All of it?
All of them. You don't have to add them if you don't want.
Yeah.
You
It
help
would
me
be
stir it
better
up?
without, but we're gonna do it with it.
Yeah. That's optional.
Yeah.
Right? Right. And then mix it up.
Without eating it.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Is it?
It smells yum though, right?
Yeah.
It's looking really yummy.
Ooh, chocolate brownie.
I love brownies. It's on your fingers?
Yes.
That's okay. We'll wash our hands. Good job. And then we're going to pour it in our pan. Do you think you can do that? I'll help you?
Yeah.
I'll hold the bowl, and then you're going to scrape it in?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to make sure everything is all mixed in.
Whoa, good. 1, 2.
Okay. I'm going to hold this, and you're going to pour it in.
Mhm.
Good job.
All of it.
All of it.
Oh my god, some of it's sticking.
It's okay.
Yeah. There. Oh!
Okay. I guess the dog's going to have some brownies.
Yeah. A little bit.
It's not going to be good for his tummy.
Whoa.
Good job. Can I help you scrape it a little? It's a little hard at the end, right?
Yeah.
Make sure all the brownies in there.
Can we help it sit?
Yep, we're going to spread it out.
Yep.
That way it's all in the pan, even.
Ooh, can I do that? I'm really good at my hand. Whoa.
It's okay, I wasn't holding it. We'll do it together.
Ooh.
Make sure it's all at the
I think
edges.
It's hard to do it with this one.
Yeah, this one's a little softer. Gonna trade?
Ooh, this one's better.
You like that one better? These are gonna be so yummy.
So yummy.
Maybe we could make some ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, have a brownie sundae. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Get some whipped cream. So many things. Good job. Do you think it's gonna be so yum? Is it
Smack
nice?
it. Smack it.
Is it nice and flat?
Oh.
Almost.
You're not gonna get any more.
Say none for doggies.
Not for doggy. Ooh.
Okay, good job. Ready to put it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So we'll put these in.
That.
And we'll come check on them in a few minutes and we'll let everyone know how it goes. Alright, so our brownies are done and they look super yummy and they smell so good. So now me and Emilia are going to try them. Which one do you want?
This one.
That. It looks so yum. It's fudgy and it's chocolatey. And I can't wait to see what you guys do too. Say bye.
Bye. See you later, I guess.